The future of mobility isn't just on the road, it's taking to the skies. Urban air mobility is turning the dream of flying cars into reality with electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, or eVTOLs. These aircraft are quiet, efficient, and can lift off from city rooftops or small vertiports. Powered by advanced batteries and multiple electric rotors, eVTOLs promise fast, congestion-free travel across cities. Air taxi services could whisk you from downtown to the airport in minutes, bypassing ground traffic entirely. Major aerospace companies and startups are racing to launch commercial eVTOL services by 2030. Challenges remain: regulation, air traffic management, and infrastructure, but progress is rapid. UAM will complement ground transport, creating seamless, multimodal journeys. Imagine booking a self-driving car to a vertiport, flying across town, and finishing your trip in another autonomous vehicle. The future of mobility is integrated, flexible, and three-dimensional. The sky is no longer the limit. The next leap in transportation is looking up. The biggest shift may not be in the car itself, but in how we use it. By 2030, personal car ownership is giving way to mobility as a service, on-demand, subscription-based access to vehicles. Most cars sit idle 95% of the time, yet cost a fortune to own and maintain. Autonomous fleets will let you summon the perfect vehicle for any trip, without the burdens of ownership. Pay a flat monthly fee, and access everything from compact pods to SUVs, or even an eVTOL flight. No more parking, insurance, or repairs, just seamless mobility when you need it. Automakers are shifting from selling cars to providing mobility, with flexible subscriptions and shared fleets. Ownership won't disappear, enthusiasts and rural drivers will still buy cars, but for city dwellers, access will trump ownership. The car becomes a utility, not a possession. The freedom of the future is freedom from the hassle of owning a car. Transportation becomes smarter, cheaper, and more convenient. The way we move is changing as much as the machines themselves. By 2030, millions will choose access over ownership. The ultimate luxury? Mobility on your terms. The car of 2030 is more than a machine, it's a platform that connects, protects, and adapts to us. Electric power, AI, and constant connectivity are converging to create a new era of mobility. The future promises cleaner, smarter, and safer travel. Traffic jams and accidents could become relics of the past. The building blocks are here and the transformation is accelerating. What excites you most about the future of cars? Share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping our world. The journey to 2030 has already begun.